Joseph, you're gonna get stuck. This is not gonna end well. Hey, can you get out or are you gonna get stuck? Yeah. Are you stuck? You need some help? You used to fit under there, but you're getting too big. You want Mommy to help you? I'll help. Okay, I'm coming. Duck your head. You want Mommy to get your toy? Here, Mommy will get your toy. It's way over here. Here we go. There's your toy. Looks like here's a bottle you threw off. Ugh. Many moons ago. Ugh. Don't drink from that one.